the number of cars produced in a year. You can see that the representation is made of that number by a little pictographic bar graph shown here. It is also said the USA produces 4 million cars. Our question asks, which country produced 7 times as many cars as Australia? Okay, we should use these pictures and be able to decode this. Well, Australia, as you can see, produced half of a car. So, if you want to find a country that produced 7 times that, we have to do a half times 7, which actually equals 3.5. Okay, so the country that produced 7 times as many cars as Australia actually produced 3.5 cars worth of cars. So, let's look through this graph and find that, hey, France has produced 3.5 cars. What that means is, France is the country that produced 3 times 5, 3.5 cars, and that's how many are 7 times the amount that Australia has produced. So our answer here should be B, France.